In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Shein app. A straightforward process that will make your online shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. Let's dive into it and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to the Shein app on your device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the option that says My Account. This is your hub for all orders, settings, and personal information related to your shopping activities on Shein. Now, let's get into the exciting part, shopping. Head over to the women clothing section by tapping on it. You'll find a wide range of categories here. Today, we're particularly interested in cardigans, so go ahead and tap on cardigans. It's amazing how many styles are available, each catering to different preferences and occasions. Once you've clicked on cardigans, take your time browsing through the selection. When you find a cardigan you want, simply select it by tapping on the item. You'll be taken to a page with more detailed photos, a description, and reviews, giving you all the information you need to make your decision with confidence. After you've decided on the perfect cardigan, it's time to choose your size. For this tutorial, we'll select M for medium. Next, you'll want to add this item to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. If you hit View Cart after that, you'll see a rundown of your selected items. It looks good. Let's proceed to checkout. Click on Checkout Now, and you'll be prompted to enter important shipping information, including your address. Take your time entering these details, as any errors could lead to a delay in receiving your purchase. Make sure it includes your name, contact number, and detailed address. You'll need to tap on your country from the drop-down list. In our case, we're clicking Egypt. After filling in your address details, click Save to ensure everything's recorded accurately. Then, hit Continue to proceed to choosing your payment method. This is where you'll select how you would like to pay, whether it's by credit card, PayPal, or any other available payment method on Shein. With your payment method chosen, you're nearly done. Double check all the details, making sure everything looks right. Once sure, hit that place order button. Voila, you've successfully ordered your item on Shein. Now sit back, relax, and await your fabulous new cardigan to arrive at your doorstep. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your shopping experience on Shein is nothing short of delightful. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Happy shopping!